Okay, can you hear me, guys? I think so, no? Uh, yeah, I think you can hear me. So, good evening, guys. Okay, so welcome to the class. So, today is the first day of grade 10 ICT class. Okay, so actually, first of all, I will introduce myself. So, my name is Chamika Dissanayake. And in the advertisement, I think I didn't mention my name. Okay, so my name is Chamika Dissanayake, and I am a graduate from Wayamba University. Okay, so I have teaching since I graduated from my university. Okay, all right. So there are several other students. I think they will join when we move on our class. Okay. All right. So first of all, so I will tell something about our class. Okay. So how our class is conducting. Likewise, there is some procedure. So I will first tell those things. Okay. So actually, in our class, we will provide tudes for every lesson. Okay. So actually, you have to fill the blanks. Okay. So there are several things included our tudes, but most probably there are blanks. Okay. And so likewise, you have to fill those blanks. I'm giving you notes. Okay. I'm giving you notes. So then you have to just fill the blanks. But in several times, you have to just draw several things. Okay. So when I'm drawing several block diagrams, you have to draw those things. Okay. And when we come to the lesson 6, like word lesson, okay, word and Excel, we have several lessons. Okay, word, Excel, like software lessons. So in that case, I have included all the pictures, images, including the tools you are going to learn. Okay, so that means it is good to have a computer. Okay, for the grade 10 and 11, you will have a programming lesson, and also you will have a word processing software, Excel, and database. Okay, likewise, and also PowerPoint. And also in the grade 11, you will have some uh, graphic processing software like GIMP. I think you don't know them yet, but you will learn. Okay, GIMP is a photo editing software, and in your syllabus, actually they have included GIMP. Okay, and what Victorian Giotto, that is animation software. Okay, then Giotto, GIMP, and also what uh, also Windows Movie Maker. Okay, so Windows Movie Maker is to create video art, video clips, and also you have the Audacity software. Okay, so there are several softwares you have to learn, and also in my class, I'm going to teach you what Adobe Photoshop. Okay, Adobe Photoshop and also Adobe Premiere Pro. So I'm going to teach those two softwares as well in the grade 11. Okay, so in that case, it is better to have a computer, but don't worry if you don't have a computer, because I have included all the images, all the things inside our tube. Okay, so that's about the tubes. So and also about the registering process. Okay, so after this class, I will send a Google form to the group. Okay, so if you want to join the class for the next days also, you can just fill out that Google form. Okay. So then actually, I will collect your email. Okay. I will collect your email and your name, of course, your name and your school, and also your address. Okay. Because we are going to send you the tunes. No? So put the address of your home, not your colleague home. Okay, so we will send the tunes for that address. Okay, so as for the recording, okay, actually I'm going to record our class in YouTube platform. Okay, we have you have seen that one, no? I am going to streaming our recording to the YouTube platform, but it is a private video. Okay, not in a public video. That means the others can't see that one. Okay, it is a private video, and then I told you when you filling out that Google form, I will collect your email. Okay, so I will use that email to give the access for the video. Okay, so you have to log in with that email. Okay, with that email to the YouTube, and then you can watch the recordings anytime. Okay, so otherwise, if you don't have that email and just think you are going to uh, fill out the Google form from your mother's telephone, okay, mother's mobile. So then we will provide our recordings, and then you are going to use your father's mobile and try to view the recording. So then your father have different email. So that means your father's mobile cannot view our recording. You have to use your mother's mobile. Likewise, that's about the recordings. Okay. So you have unlimited watch time because it is in the YouTube platform. So anytime you can watch the videos. Okay. So that is about the class procedure. Okay. Uh, so I have done a subject introduction. Subject, not the subject. Yes, subject, or else you can say syllabus. Okay, syllabus introduction in the previous video. Okay, I will share that one. So in that video, actually, I have told that what are the lessons we have in the grade 10 and also the grade 11, and what are the allocated marks for the each lesson. Okay, so then actually you can give more focus for that kind of lesson. Okay, so yeah, one lesson, just take our programming lesson. Okay, it is on the grade 11. First lesson is the programming lesson. So in the programming lesson, they have allocated like 20 marks for the older exam. So that means when we arrive to the programming lesson, you have to give more focus from that lesson because most of the marks are coming from that lesson. Likewise, I have told the every lesson uh, what amount of mark will be provided to each lesson. Okay, so that's the thing about the instruction. That's the thing about the instruction. So So can you tell me one thing? So I think in your school you have learned ICT, okay? So but actually you had the what sport meet, no? I think you had the sport meet in the last term. So can you tell me which lesson did you learn in the last day in your school? What is the lesson? The last lesson? Second unit, no? Okay. Both of you? You met them Netuko, no? Yes, okay. So you are English medium, no? So it is okay, no? So actually in this class, uh, all the things will be taught in English. Okay. And also I have a parallel class in a single medium also. It is on Friday for temporary time period. So it will move to another day. So So there is a one opportunity to you guys. So if you are going to join my English medium class, you are free to join my single medium class also. Okay. So it is for you guys only. Okay. So only for English medium school. Okay. So if you want to join that class also, that means it is hard to if it is hard to learn completely in English, you can join that class also. But in that class, I am going to teach in single medium. But I think it is good to learn in here. Okay, completely in English because actually, guys, uh, most of the things in our ICT subject in English medium, English words likewise. Okay, so that means it is easy to learn in English. Okay, actually it is learn to English it is easy to learn in English more than Sinhala language, because when I am teaching in Sinhala, I'm also got stuck. What is the Sinhala meaning of this one likewise? Okay, so actually it is very easy in English language. Okay, all right. So the thing is, so here now it's our second term now. So I am planning to start our class in the third lesson. Okay, I'm planning to start our class in the third lesson, from the third lesson, which is number system. Okay, and when you register our class and when you pay the first month payment, I will send you the tudes. Okay, when I'm sending you the tudes, I will send the tudes of first and second lesson also. Okay, so those two tudes I fulfill. That means you don't have to write anything on that tude. You have to just read the tude and gain your knowledge. Okay. If you want to, can you tell me if you want to? I'm not going to teach the first lesson. Okay, I'm not going to teach that one because it is very small lesson. Okay. So if you want to teach the second lesson, I can start from that. But since you don't have a tutor, I will start from the third lesson today. Okay. So what about that one? Do you want to learn the second lesson also? Or else I will actually I'm going to send you the tutors. Okay. So after this lesson, let us decide. Let's decide after the third lesson. Okay. So actually in the second lesson, you are going to did you learn completely the second lesson? Did you complete the second lesson? Hmm? No. Okay. So actually, guys, in the second lesson, you have the components, devices. Okay. Input, output devices, and memory devices, storage devices. Likewise, those are the things included in our second lesson. So I will send you the tutorials. Okay. So then let's decide if you want to learn that learn again that one. I will teach you. Actually, I don't have the recordings from the last class, last grade 10 class. I don't have that recording. So if I had that one, I can send those things. But I don't have that one. So if you want to redo the class, I mean the second lesson, it is okay. Okay, let's do. Uh, let's see. Okay, let's see, because actually it is a very easy lesson, but there is a lot more things. So did you learn the communication devices? In the end, you are going to learn the data communication. Likewise, did you learn that once, or like just half, only for input and output devices only? Yes. Okay, let's see. Actually, guys, first I need to send you the tudes, because there are several pictures included in the tudes for the second lesson. Okay, so actually it is better to have the tudes before we start the second lesson. Okay, so let's see. Let's decide after sending the tudes. Let's see if you want to do the second lesson. Let's see. Okay, actually I think it is better to do the lesson. No, so there is several. Lot more things in the communication part. Okay, actually in that part you are going to get several questions, I think 2 or more MCQ questions in that part for the O level. I'm targeting O level exam. When I'm telling there will be this kind of mark, this much of marks, I am telling according to the O level exam, not according to the term test. Okay, all right. So enough. I will send the registration link after the class. Okay. So let's start our lesson. Okay, let's start our lesson. Actually, you guys have to get a notebook for the first 2 days. Okay. So then I will send you the tudes. So after you got this tude, you can just fill out these first 2 days, and after that part, you can just fill out from the tude. Okay. All right. So let's start. I'm going to start the third lesson. Okay. Third lesson. What is the third lesson? Data representation in a computer system. Okay. That is a very long name. Okay. That is a very long name. I will just write. Lesson 3. Lesson 3. Lesson 3. Okay. How about the first term mark? Did you got the marks? Or how about the marks? And hmm? Didn't get the marks. You meant you mean didn't get the marks. What about the Netupa? And you met where you met then Netupa? Just tell me where I from. Okay. Good. Netupa had great marks. And also, guys, after finish each lesson, we will do several questions in the O-level exam from that lesson. Okay. So in that case, it's better to practice the answering the question. Okay. So where are guys from? Actually, when I'm sending the there would into Vijay Rama. Yes. Okay. Okay, good. I will send the registration link so then I can get more details. Okay. So actually, lesson 3. Okay. Data representation in computer system. Okay. As I told you, it is a very big name. So I'm going to write a short name. Okay. I'm going to write a short name. What is that name is number system. Okay. Number system. We can call this lesson as number system and coding system. Okay. There are two parts in this lesson. Okay. Number system and coding system. So that's why the lesson name topic is data representation in the computer. So first of all, we are going to learn about the number system. That's why I just put number system. Okay. All right. Let's see like this. Okay. So in the ancient time means Stone Age, we have used several methods to calculate. No, we have used. We didn't even in that age. Okay, but our ancestors used several methods. Okay, so what is that? So assume here, assume like there are two humans. Okay, there are two humans, and they are going to what? They are going to hunt. Okay, they are going to hunt. So when they hunt, they want to calculate how much they hunt. Okay, they are going to hunt a boar, wild boar, or a rabbit, like that, or any animal. But once they hunt one animal, they want to calculate. Okay, so finally, with the highest amount of animal hunting amount wins the game. Okay, so likewise in that case, which kind of methods did they use? Can you guess? So in the first period, ancient uh, ancient Stone Age. Okay, the Stone Age actually when one person hunt one animal, so they had our fingers, no, they had their fingers, not our fingers. They had their fingers, no, they had their fingers. Once they kill one animal, they will just count by this one finger, no. So they will some like like this. They are going to count one animal, and then two fingers and three fingers. Likewise, they are going to count the numbers of the killed animal. Okay, so that is a what method. Okay, one method. So that means the first stage they're going to just I'm not going to use draw the what hands. Okay, just first method is hand. Okay, they can just use their fingers and count the animals. Okay, that is the first method. Okay, and it is very hard, no? So once you kill more than 10 animals, okay, once you kill more than 10 animals, you got only 10 fingers, no? You got only 10 fingers. So what happened when you kill more than 10 animals? You have to use your foot fingers also, no? So what about you kill more than 20? It is hard, no? You don't have another guy to count his fingers also. Okay, so it is very hard. So then they have changed the method. So what they have used? They have used, students, what tables. Okay, tables. I will draw the tables. So tables like this. Okay. So if they kill one table, if they kill one animal, okay, if they kill one animal, so they will get a pebble and put that on their pocket. Okay, if they have the pocket, put that on their pocket. Okay, so if they kill another animal, so they will put another pebble in their pocket. So that means two pebbles. Okay, likewise they have what, put pebbles once they kill one animal. Likewise it is continued. Okay, so this is another method. Okay, this is another method. So that means if they have one pebbles, they don't know the number one. Okay, actually they don't know the number one. So they just look at the one pebble and they look at there are several pebbles. Okay, so then they can understand so which pebble category is the highest number. So likewise, I'm telling you that they are not going to understand this one as a number. Okay, this is only representation thing. Okay, they are not going to they are not going to know this is number one, this is number two, this is number three. Likewise, they don't know actually. Okay, they are just see the highest amount of pebbles and that is the highest number. Likewise, okay, that's how they calculate. So then after that one they have used, I think they have used what, lines. I think you also use this one. Okay, when you kill one animal, they are going to draw one line. So when you kill another animal, another line. Likewise, when you kill several animals, likewise they have used line categories. Okay, those are the tables, and then they are going to draw lines. Okay, this is another counting method. No? Another counting method. Okay, so this is the second method. Okay, in this, so in here also they don't know the amount. Okay, they don't know the counting. I mean, number one, number two, likewise, they don't know the counting. So they just know if there is this kind of image, that means it is the lower value. If there is this kind of image, this is like an image to them. Okay, so there is this kind of image, that value is higher than this one. Likewise, they just count. Okay, so then what happened? This is the second method. Okay, lines. So I will just write the name. Okay, this is pebbles. Okay, I will just write lines. Okay, I don't know the name. Okay, I will just write lines. Okay, so then we are coming to the Roman age. Okay, Roman Empire, Roman age. So then the Roman age, they have used Roman numbers, no? Roman numbers like this. Okay, this is also a symbol, no? There is a symbol, no? Just learn those are the symbols. Okay, this is symbol, but in here actually they are going to count one. Okay? They know this is one, this is two, this is three, likewise. In the here onwards, they are going to count, but they are using symbols. Okay, those are the symbols. So those are Roman numbers. I will write Roman numbers. Roman numbers. And then the number system that we are using nowadays. What? Hindu Arabic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, likewise. There's a symbol. I just write 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Okay. Those are what? Hindu Arabic numbers. Hindu Arabic. Those are the Hindu Arabics. So then, just understand, those are the symbols. So this is not a number. This is not a number. This is a symbol. 2 is just like a art. Okay. This is a art. Okay. We are representing this symbol as value 2. Okay. Value and the symbol is a two different things. Value and the symbol. So this is the symbol. Okay. Value is also number 2G. I will just write 2. Okay. Number 2. And also this is the symbol. I am telling this one because actually in our computer, they don't know the value, guys. They don't know the value. They are just looking at the symbol. Okay. They are just looking at the symbol and they are going to calculate the value. When they see this one, they just don't know this is what is this, like that. Okay. In nowadays, you know AI. No? We have the AI technology, artificial intelligence. So inside the AI technology, we have a separate part called image processing. Okay, image processing. We have a part that's called image processing. So when a computer have an image processing technology, in that computer, if we give this kind of symbol, so they are going to understand the symbol. Okay, they are going to capture an image of this symbol and they are going to calculate. So that means they are going to identify what is this symbol. Then they are going to know this is a number what 2, like okay. Just memorize that those are the symbols. Okay, those are the symbols. So these numbers, those we can call these things as number system, guys. Okay, number system. Can you understand? So here they have used pebbles to calculate calculation. Okay, that means they are going to use this is one number, this is another number, likewise this is one system. So in here also they are going to use lines. No? They are going to use lines and calculate. This is another system. And here they have used Roman numbers. This is another numbering system. Okay. So at last we are going to use this one, Hindu Arabic numbers. This is another numbering system. Okay. We can call these things as number systems. Okay, guys. So as you know, those 4 number systems are going to use in our life. Humans use these 4 number systems. Okay. In today also we can use pebbles. No, we can use lines, Roman numbers and Hindu Arabic numbers. Okay. Those are the number system that we are using. Okay. Likewise, our computer have a different number systems. Okay. Our computer use several number systems for the calculation. Okay. Computer use several number systems. So the first one is what? Binary number system, guys. Did you got the idea of the number system? Hands up. If you got the ideas, the number system. Yes. Okay. All right. So then our computer is going to use several number system like these things. Okay. What is the first one is, guys? I will write in blue color one. Here, binary number system. Binary, by just binary. Okay, binary number system. Okay, in binary number system, they are going to use only two symbols. Okay, two symbols. What are those? 0 and 1. Okay, only two symbols. In here, so let's move to the Hindu Arabic number system. As you know that one. Okay. So when we use this Hindu Arabic number system, so if you want to write any number, so I'm going to write 112. Okay. That means this is our number, guys. So those are the Hindu Arabic number system symbols. Symbols in our Hindu Arabic number system. Okay. Only those things. So you can see, I have used 1. That means this symbol twice, 1, 1. And the second symbol, 1 time, 2. Okay. Likewise, we are going to use any symbol from these symbols for the numbers. Okay. When using Hindu Arabic numbers, let's say another one. 34. 34 is also two symbols. This one and this one. Okay. 940. Also, we have 940. Only those three symbols. Likewise, we are going to use these symbols to write any number. Okay, this is a valued number. Likewise, this, guys, in the binary number system, we have 0 and 1. Okay, that means if you want to write one value, one number, what we have to do is 101. We can use only ones and 0. Okay, this is about the binary number system. Okay? If you want to write another one, 111, this is another value. 0, 1, 1, 1. This one. Okay? This is another number. Okay? Those are the numbers in our binary number system. There is a value. Okay? Those are the numbers, but there is a value for this number. So we are going to calculate those values in the later. We are going to calculate those things. But first of all, get the idea. Number system. That means we are going to use these two symbols. Okay. Those are symbols. So again, I am telling you, those are the symbols. Okay. We're going to use those symbols and write several numbers. Okay. That is the first number system used in computers. Okay. There are three other symbols. Three other number systems. Okay. So here actually binary means 2. Okay. Binary means 2. That means we have only 2. Okay. The other thing is what? Octal. We have the octal number system. We have the octal number system. Octal means 8, guys. Okay. Octal means 8. That means we are going to use 8 symbols. Okay. We are going to use 8 symbols in this number system. This is binary means 2. That means we are going to use 2 symbols. Okay. So here octal, that means we are going to start from 0. Okay. 0. This is the first symbol, second, third, yes, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. It is hard to write. When I am telling 6, I have to write 5. Okay, it is hard to write. Yeah. So I will write again. Okay. So there are 8 symbols, guys. Okay, there are 8 symbols and octal number system. Okay. Right. So I think you got the idea of this one also. Okay. And the next thing is, guys, binary, octal, and decimal. Decimal number system. Decimal. Decimal means, guys, 10. Decimal means 10. Okay. 10 means we have 10 different symbols. We have 10 different symbols. Actually, in here also, we are going to use our Roman, Hindu Arabic symbols. Okay. Here also, we are going to use Hindu Arabic symbols because this is what we know. This is we know this one, and it is very easy to learn with these kind of symbols. Okay. Because of that, we are going to use Hindu Arabic symbols, but the symbol count will be different. Okay. Here actually we have only 2 symbols. Here we have 8 symbols. Here decimal. Decimal means 10. That means we have 10 symbols. So what are those symbols? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Those are the 10 symbols. This is like our Hindu Arabic number system. Okay. Decimal number system also like our Hindu Arabic number system. Okay. It is very easy. So then the last one, okay, guys. Last one is hexadecimal. Okay. The name is hexadecimal. I'm not going to write in the beginning. Just I will write the symbols and then I will write the name. Okay. So hexadecimal means, guys, 16. Okay. Hexadecimal means 16. That means we should have 16 different symbols. 16 different symbols. Okay. You know. So just write. Okay. So we can just write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. As I told you, we are going to use our Hindu Arabic number system symbols. Okay. So here for our hexadecimal also, we are going to use our Hindu Arabic symbols. So when we write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, likewise for the 9, there is 10 symbols. Okay. So what happened when I write 10? What happened when I write 10? I told you in here. Oh, here. Okay. When we write 34, that means we are going to use this 3 and 4. Those 2 symbols to represent 34, no? 34. No? Likewise, guys. Here, if we write 10, that means we are going to use 1 and 0 symbols. Okay? We are going to use this symbol. Here we have already used that one. We are going to use 0th one. That means this kind of this round shape of symbol. Okay. So we are going to tell the shape. Okay. It's a symbol, no? Okay. So this shape is already used. You can see this one and this one, they have already used. What happened? We have only 10 symbols. No, we have only 10 symbols, but we need to use 16 symbols because this is hexadecimal one. Okay. What is going to do? Actually, guys, okay, actually, this number system is used by the English people. Okay. First of all, the number system is introduced. Okay. Actually, those number systems were introduced by English people, not from our language. No, we even don't know what is a computer in the ancient time when they introduced these things. Okay, that means these number systems also introduced by English people. Okay, so what they have done is they have put their most close symbol. Okay, most close symbol. What is that one? Their alphabet, guys. Okay, they are alphabet. They know already they are alphabet. So what they have done is they have put A. Okay, this is a symbol, guys. So this is a symbol, but this symbol has a value. What is the value? The value is 10. Okay, value is 10, but the symbol is represent as A. Okay, alphabet. Yes, English letters. Okay. Yes, good. Okay. So then when we include A, that means we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. We have another 15. This is a 16. Hexadecimal means 16. We have another 5. Sorry, another 5. That means A, we have A, B, C, D, E, F. This is the thing about the hexadecimal number system. Okay. So if we introduce this number system, so we could put A, A, E, U, A, like us. We could put those things. Okay. Because actually, guys, this is a symbol. Okay. So the thing is, you can also introduce another number system. You guys can, but you have to learn and spread your number system around the world. Okay? Actually, I can introduce a number system. Let's see. This is the hexadecimal. That means the 16th base. Okay. Now I will write hexadecimal. Hexadecimal. Okay. So I can introduce another number system. That means what? Hexadecimal, not hexadecimal. 20th base. I can say 20th base number system. Okay. What can I do is I can just come to this point. It's okay. Okay. Or else I can just put these things 0 to 9. Okay. I will put 0 to 9. And for the 10th value, I can just put what? The flower. Flower means the 10th value. Because this is a symbol, because, guys. This is a symbol. This is also a symbol. Okay. So the 11th value, we can put a tree. Likewise, we can introduce a what? Number system, okay? But the thing is, we can't spread that one. We can't spread. So those things are already spread. So we know these things because we are going to learn these things. But actually, you guys can also introduce a number system. But the thing is, you can't spread that one. Okay? All right. So here actually, guys, those 4 number systems are going to use in our computer system. In our computer system, for the calculations, they are going to use, or else we are going to use these 4 number system. Okay. That means in our lesson, we are going to learn about these number systems. Okay. What are these number systems? As you already know, you know what are these number systems. But we are going to learn, we need to learn what is the value of this sum. What is the value of this sum? Likewise, there are several values when we using these symbols. No? So likewise, we are going to learn what are the values of each kind of number system, and later on we are going to learn how to convert from this number system to this number system. In here, actually, you know. So I told you, as I told you, these are the normal number system that we are using already. So that means when we write what 15 in Hindu Arabic, if we want to convert to Roman numbers, you already know 15 means X and V. This is the 15. Okay, this, yeah, I think you can see, no? This is the 15. Okay, those are 2 different symbols. No, those are 2 different symbols, but same value. Same value. Likewise, there are same value, but 2 different symbols. So what we are going to learn is how to convert within this number system. Okay? That is the thing we are going to learn. So actually, guys, this decimal number system is the same thing as Hindu-Arabic number system. You can see here also we have 10 symbols. Here also we have 10 symbols. That means those three are same. Okay. Actually, we have include this one because we are going to learn these things. Okay, we are going to learn these things. So if we have a thing that we already know, it is very easy, no? It is very easy. So this is about the number system, guys. Okay, it's about the number system. Okay. So there is one thing also. Before we are going to start our writing thing. Okay, let's just learn. Okay, there is another thing. Okay, there is another thing. So I told you there are 4 number systems that computer is use. No, our computer is using only these 4 number system. Okay, it's okay. But our computer can understand only binary number system, guys. Okay, only binary number system. So let's take an example in here. Okay, in here. So think about you are a Roman people. Okay? You are a Roman one. Okay? Roman student. Okay, you are a Roman student. So that means you can use these Hindu Arabic numbers to form a number. Sorry, Hindu Arabic symbols to form a number. Okay. Also, you are going to use Roman numbers to form a number. So the thing is, you are a Roman student. That means you can only understand this one. Only understand this one. Likewise, guys, okay, our computer system can only understand binary number system. But we are going to use octal, decimal, and hexadecimal also in our computer system. But when we take from the computer side, okay, the computer system, he can only understand binary. So, okay. So let me explain why. Okay, let me explain why. Okay. So let's move to the electronic side. Okay. As you know, our computer is an electronic device. No? Our computer is an electronic device. So I'm going to move to the electronic side. Okay. So this is a new thing. I think in your science subject, I think you have learned this one, but I don't know. Okay, I can't remember. So actually, guys, when we move to the electronic side, there is 2 different signal types, or as yes, voltages. Okay, there are 2 different voltages. What are those things? Let's see current. Okay, I will tell as current. The first thing is, guys, AC current. AC. Alternative current. I will just write AC. Okay, alternative. That means that current will behave like this. Actually, the current that you have your home is this AC current. This is a theory, okay? Just don't understand this one. Just look and learn. Okay. There is a one current type that is AC. Okay. And also there is a one signal type. We can call that one as analog signal. Analog signal. AC and analog is the same graph. Okay. Same graph. AC means alternative current, and also analog signal means analog signal. Okay. both of them use same graph. Okay, that's why I have write this one. The other current type is, guys, DC, direct current, DC. Okay, it's like this. It is like this. Okay, what is the difference between these two current, guys? Here I will write just 12 volt. Okay, 12. Here time. In this side it is going to be time, also time, and here it will be value 12 like that. Okay, guys. So here actually for the I will tell this is first second, this is second, this is third second. Likewise here seconds. Okay, here seconds. This is first second, third, fourth, likewise seconds. Okay. So in the AC current, guys, AC, you can see in the first second the value is 0. Okay, it is okay. The first second value is 0. It's okay. But when we come up to the half second, 0.5 second, the value will be 12. Okay, value will be 12. When we come to the 0.2 second, value can be, guys, 10. Likewise, there are several values for the time to time. No, as you can see, here it can be 5, here it can be 6, here it can be 10, okay, here it can be 12, and here it can be again 10, here it can be 0. Likewise, there are several numbers. No, there are several numbers we can get in our AC current. But when we come to the DC, direct current, or else for the signals we are going to use, the name is digital signal. Digital signal. Okay. When we come up to the digital signal, guys, you can see there are only two states, no? So here it can be 12, here it can be 0. Here it can be 12, here it can be 0. No? As you can see, there are only two states. Okay? There are only two states. But when we come up with the AC current, there are several states, no? It can be 10, 11, 11.5, 11.55, likewise. There can be several numbers, no? Did you get that point? Hands up, raise your hand if you got that one. Hmm? Yes, okay. So the thing is, guys, as I told you, our computer is an electronic device. Okay, our computer is an electronic device. That means our computer is using this direct current. Our computer is using this direct current, guys. Okay, this one. So here you can see there are only two states, 12 or 0. Likewise, guys, when we give in 12 volt, we can see it is 1. This is like 1. When we are going to give 0 voltage, we can see 0. Here it is 1. Here it is 0. It is 1. Can you see? It is ones and zeros. That's why we can tell our computer can only understand ones and zeros because of the electricity. Okay? When we talk about the electricity, we can give only, our computer is an electronic device. So we can give direct current or else digital signals to our computer like high volt and low volt. That means 12 or 0 like that. Okay. So that means so high voltage means 1 and 0. That's why we are going to tell our computer can only understand 1 and 0. Okay. That's the thing. That's why I have told you that our computer can only understand binary number system because our binary number system has zeros and 1. That's the thing. Okay. Did you get that? Did you get that part? Yes, good. If you have any problem, you can just raise your hand and talk with me, or else you can just type a message in your chat box and just send. Okay. If you have any question. Okay. So I'm going to tell several things beside our theory part. Okay. So I think those things may help you. Okay. So now you know. Did you know that our computer is going to use direct current? Our computer is using direct current. Did you know that part? That part? Hmm? No. Answer it. Good, 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 good. So actually, as I told you, our computer have the AC current, okay? But our our home has the AC current, but our computer uses DC current. That means we have to convert AC to DC. What is the device we're going to use to convert AC to DC? Our home gets AC current, but our computer uses DC current. That means we need to have a separate device to convert this AC current to DC current. What is the device? You already know. I think you know. Yes, good. Power supply. Okay. I'm not going to try. Power supply is going to convert our AC current to DC current. Okay. All right. So that is the thing. So let's write our note. Okay. As I told you, for the first 2 days, just take a notebook and write your note. Okay. Okay. Just write. First of all, write the name of the lesson 3. You can just write number system. Okay. You can just write number system. Right. Okay. So write likewise this. In the ancient time, in the ancient time, and nowadays, in the ancient time, and nowadays, in the ancient time, and nowadays, people use, people use, people use, in the ancient time, and nowadays, people use different number systems, different number systems, different number system with different symbols. Nowadays, people use different number systems with different symbols, different symbols. Full stop. Okay. And just write these 4 like below. Oh, it's okay. Yes, just write these 4. Only these 4, guys. And hands up. Okay. Once you're done, just raise your hand. Once you finish, just raise your hand. Okay. Okay, good. Then write like this in the next slide. Like above number systems, like above number systems, like above number system, computer use for different type of number systems. Computer use for different types of number systems. For different type of number systems. Okay. But computer can only understand, but computer can only understand machine language. Computer can only understand machine language. Machine language consists of only two digit. Only two digit. In the bracket, just write 1 and 0. Okay. Then write like that. Like that. A set of numbers. A set of numbers that we are going to use, a set of numbers that we are going to use for data representation, that we are going to use for data representation is called a number system. Is called a number system. Is called a number system. Full stop. A number is formed by, a number is formed by, a number is formed by combining multiple digit multiple digit then open bracket, write what? Digit means symbols. Symbol. 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 Okay. Okay. That means, guys, when we write a number like here, a number like 1024, okay, one symbol is called as digit. Okay, this one symbol is called as digit. So that's why I have included digit and inside bracket symbols. Okay. Okay. So then write like a topic. Okay. Write like a topic. Number system. Number systems. Number systems. Number systems used for number systems used for number systems used for data representation number systems used for data representation in a computer computers data representation in computers. Right, these four. So actually you don't need to draw these symbols. Okay, so we are going to again learn this one. Okay, so first of all, I just taught you guys basically what is a number system and what are the symbols include these number systems. But we are going to what another members that's doing. Okay, we are going to learn this one again in the in later. Okay, what is the binary number system and what are the symbols inside our binary number system. Likewise, we are going to again learn that one. So then, don't write these things. So just write binary, octal, decimal, one, two, just put 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, binary, octal, decimal, and hexadecimal. Okay, just write this one. Shinadi, no? So we have start our lesson, okay, because it is 1 and 20 minutes late. Okay, 1 and 20 minutes late. So I have told the things of our class. Okay, what is the method of our lesson teaching, and likewise I have tell several things. So I will put this recording in our group. Okay, so for this recording I don't use the emails as I told you earlier. Okay, so I will just put this recording as a public video, and I will share this recording inside our group. Okay, so Shinadi, just look on the video. Okay? Just watch the video, and then you can understand what are the things we have learned before these things. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, okay, guys. The others, just write these four and raise your hand. Just only write binary, octal, decimal, and hexadecimal. If you can't see the color, just tell me. Okay, if you can't see the blue color, just tell me. I think you can see. No, you can see. YouTuber? Okay. Okay. So I'll just clean this one. So another thing, if you want to get a screenshot, or I'm not going to write these things. Okay. So those are the extra knowledge. Okay. Those are the extra knowledge. So I'm not going to write these things inside your note actually, because you have to just get understand about this, why we are calling that the computer can only understand by numbers. Okay, likewise, this for your knowledge. So if you want to take a screenshot or yes, a screenshot, or else if you want to write these things, you can write these things. Okay, but for the several things, I'm not going to write all the things. Actually, I'm not going to write all the things inside our note. Okay, only the uh, value. Okay, only the things we need for the exam. Okay, give me 1 minute, guys. Okay, so I'm going to clean the board. Actually, guys, for this lesson, okay, for this lesson, you need some kind of mathematical knowledge. Okay, for this lesson, you need some kind of mathematical knowledge, because actually we are going to multiply several numbers and divide numbers. Likewise, we are going to use calculation. Okay, so that means actually you need some sort of mathematical knowledge for the previous two lessons. Okay, as you know, I think you have learned in the school. No? Previous two lessons don't need any mathematical knowledge. You know, so those two lessons are theory lessons. You have to just listen and just memorize. Okay, but here you have to understand. Okay, understand. Actually, guys, in my class, in my teaching method, I'm not going to just give the notes. Okay, I'm not focusing on the notes actually, guys. Okay, I'm not focusing fully on the notes, but my focus is to give you the knowledge. Okay, give you the knowledge. That means if you have the knowledge, you can understand. If you understand the lesson, okay, without any notes, if you understand the lesson, that means you can just write any answer for any question. Okay, so that means in my teaching method, my fully focus is to understanding. Okay, you need to get understand and you need to get knowledge about the lesson. Okay, so and the other thing is actually, guys, ICT is combining with maths. Okay, if you are good in math, you are good in ICT. If you are good in ICT, that means you are good in maths. Okay, those two subjects are combined. Okay, but don't worry if you don't know the maths. I'm going to fail the ICT likewise. Don't ever think about that one. Likewise, that. Okay. Let's move forward. So the other thing is we are going to learn another keyword. Another keyword. What if that one is weighting factor? Weighting factor. Okay. Weighting factor. What is weighting factor? My hand can you can read my handwriting, no? I think you can read my handwriting. If you can't, just tell me. Okay, I will write with several font styles. Okay. So weighting factor. Let's move lesson weighting factor. So I'm going to teach you like this. You know the Hindu Arabic number system. Okay, as you know the Hindu Arabic number system. When we use the numbers, we are going to write a number like this: 1245. Okay, 1245. Like we are going to write a number. You know this number and you know the value. Okay, in the Hindu Arabic number system, you know the value. This is 1245. Okay, if we get the multiplication of these numbers, okay, like not that far, no. If we get this number, okay, if we get this number, that means this value, 5 value, 5, okay, this value is made by what? 10 to the power 0 multiplied by 5. Okay? 10 to the power 0. Actually, when we what? No, here I will just write. Okay. Here the 5 will made by 5 is made by multiplying 10 to the power 0 multiplied by 5. 10 to the power 0 means what? It is 1. Okay. In mathematics, any number of power 0, okay, if we get 5 to the power 0 is equal 1. 6 to the power 0 is equal 1. 2 to the power 0 is equal 1. Okay. Any number to power 0 is equal 1. Okay. Learn the theory. All right. So here, okay, I will just write this like this. So here, this 5 can made by 1 multiplied by 5. Okay. You got this one. This 5 can made by 1 multiplied by 5. Okay. And here what is the number? 4 or 40. Okay. In here actually it is 40. Okay. I will just write this like this. The number is coming to made by adding 5, 40, 200 and 1000. No? We are going, if we add these things, these numbers, we will have what? 1245. Okay. This is the way we are going to get this number. Okay. So what we are going to do is we are going to reverse this process. Okay. That means this 5 can be get as 1 multiplied by 5. That means 5. No, it is okay. No? It is okay. So then I will just write in here. Okay. What? 5, 40, 200, 1000. Okay. 1245. So here we can get what? 4. We can get 40. No? If we multiply 10 by 4, we can get 40. This one. We got 5. We got 40. How we can get 200? We can come up with the base 10. Okay. Base 10. That means here we can see 100 multiplied by 2 is equal to 200. No? 100 multiplied by 2 is equal to 200. Yes, good. Okay. What about this one? This one. What about this one? Yes. 1000 multiplied by 1. It is 1000. Okay. Then we can have the number 1245 when we add these things. Okay. Did you understand this thing? Did you understand this one? No? Yes. Good. So then what I am going to do is, here we have 1. Okay. Here we have 1, guys. Here we have 10. Here we have 100. Here we have 1000. That means, can you see this can be written in what? 10th power factors. Okay. In the 10th base, that means in here, for the 1, I can write 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 0. Okay. For 10, I can write 10 to the power 1. No. To the 100, 100 is equal 10 to the power 2. 1000 is equal 10 to the power 3. I think you know these things, no? In the mathematics, you know. 10 to this one, for every number, 0th power factor is equal 1. Okay. This is, I think this is a new thing. This is a theory. And here you know 10 to the power 1 is 10, 10 to the power 2 is 100, 10 to the power 3 is 1000. No? You know that. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to remove these things. I'm going to remove these things and write these things. Okay. What? Here, 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3. Okay. Then you can see how our number is formed. Then when I write for each of these numbers, I can write actually, okay, this one is 10 to the power 0, this one is 10 to the power 1, this one is 10 to the power 2, this one is 10 to the power 3. Okay. So then this power number will multiply by this one. Here 10 to the power 1 is multiplied by this one. 4. 10 to the power 2 is multiplied by 2. Likewise, this is how a number is formed, guys. This is how any number system, okay? After, in the later, we are going to learn what? Octal and binary, octal and hexadecimal and decimal. Okay? For those number systems also, they have form like this. Okay, I will tell in that period. Okay, in that area. So here actually this is the what? Hindu Arabic number system or as decimal number system. Okay, as I told you, I told you earlier, decimal number system is equal to Hindu Arabic number system. No, because both of them are using same what symbols 0 to 9. That means Hindu Arabic number system is also equal to decimal number system. Okay, that means actually here we are learning decimal number system, guys. In decimal number system, when we write a number, that means if we get this number, it is made by 10 to the power 0th value multiplied by this one. This number we'll write 10 to the power 1's value multiplied by this one. Okay. Likewise, there is a number, power number. Okay. Power number. As we call weighting factor, this power number is called the weighting factor. Okay. This power number, not only this one, whole thing. Sorry. whole thing is going to call as weighting factor. Okay, there is the thing about weighting factor. Did you understand this thing about weighting factor? Yes, good, good. Others? Good. So if I write this, I will just clean this one. If I write a number like this, what is? Okay, this is the number. This is the number. What are the weighting factors inside this number? What are the weighting factors? Okay. What are the weighting factors? I will write. Okay, it is hard to write to you guys, no? It is hard to write to you guys. Just tell it is right or wrong. Okay, it is okay or incorrect. So here actually we have, okay, here we have 10 to the power 0. Okay. Then we have 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 4. Sorry, they just should be comma. Those are the weighting factors. Okay. Yes, good. 10 to the power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This whole thing is not going to call as weighting factor. This whole thing with this 5 is not the weighting factor. Only this number. So only this number. This is called weighting factor. We are going to learn this one because actually, guys, okay, I will tell now. Okay, actually, guys, so I told you this is the decimal number system. Okay, decimal number system, the weighting factor is coming up 10's power. Okay, power of 10 in the decimal number system. The numbers will made up by 10 to the power. Okay, when we come to the octal number system, you know what are the symbols? 0 to 7, guys. Okay, so if I write this kind of number, what? 87, 87. Is this can be a octal number system? Is this can be octal number system? I have wrote 87. That means here I have wrote 8, the symbol of 8. Okay, and here I have wrote a symbol of 7, this kind of symbol. Can be this one as octal? No. Because in the octal number system, we have 0 to 7. Only symbols 0 to 7. Okay? That means this cannot be the octal number system. This can be what? Decimal? No, you know decimal number system. In the decimal number system, we have 0 to 9. That means 8 is within this number, these symbols. No? That means this 87 can be decimal, guys. Decimal. And the other thing, this can be hexadecimal, guys. Hexadecimal, you know, in the hexadecimal, we have 0 to 9 and also A to F. We have A to F symbols. That means here, if we write 8, that means it can be in the decimal number system and also it can be in the hexadecimal. But it cannot be in the octal because octal we have 0 to 7. Okay? And what is the other number system? Binary. That means we have only 0 and 1, guys. We don't have this 8 or even 7. No, we don't have both of these symbols. That means this cannot be binary number system. Did you got that one? Because actually in the exam you can they will ask this kind of questions. Okay? This kind of questions. But I will write these things in the later. Okay? Did you understand my point? Did you got that my point? Yes, good. So when I write an octal number system, like what? 3. Okay. This can be octal number system now. Okay. This can be octal numbers because 0 to 7, yes, 7, 6, 3. It can be octal. Okay. In the octal number system, guys, the weighting factor is made up. This is 8, 8 to the power 0. This is 8 to the power 1. This is 8 to the power 2. Likewise, that is the difference between number systems. That is the difference between number systems. In the binary number system, okay, in the binary, here actually 8 is coming by the octal. Okay, octal, I told you, octal means 8. Okay, with the number, the 8 is coming. Octal, 8. Here decimal. Decimal means I told you 10. That's why here 10 to the power. Okay. When we come up to the hexadecimal, you know now. Okay. You know. When we come up to the hexadecimal, I will just write A31 hexadecimal. We are going to write the base. Okay. Here actually we are writing the base because when we see the numbers, we can identify what is the number system. Okay. When we come to the hexadecimal, you know hexadecimal means 16. That means this one will be 16 to power 0, 16 to power 1, 16 to power 2. Got that point? That is why we are learning the weighting factor. Okay? That is why we are going to learn about weighting factor, because the later we are going to use this weighting factor for our calculations. Okay? We are going to use this weighting factor for our calculation. Did you understand the weighting factor? Okay. Yes, good. Sinadi? Ah, yes. And which other? Netupa. What about you? Yes, good. So then write the next topic. Next topic. Right? Weighting factor. Weighting factor. Weighting factor. Right, like this. A weighting factor. A weighting factor. A weighting factor is the value a weighting factor is the value by which by which each column in a number system by which each column in a number system by which each column in a number system is multiplied is multiplied is multiplied is multiplied. Column is this. If we divide these things by like these columns, those are the columns. Okay. Okay. So the next point, I'm actually, guys, my note is in point 4. Okay. My note is in point 4. Okay. So just write in point 4 because actually, guys, I'm not going to give you lot of notes as I told you earlier. Okay. Actually, I'm not going to give lot of notes, but when we write in a point form, it is very easy to understand. Okay. So that's why most of my notes I'm going for. Okay. So just write the next point. The value of this weighting factor, 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 the value of this, the value of this weighting factor increases progressively, increases progressively, increases progressively from the right to the left. Progressively means step by step. Okay. Increases step by step is good, no? Just cut the progressively word. Okay. Increases step by step. It is very easy to understand, no? Increases step by step from right to left. Right to left. Okay. Then write this thing, this one. You can also write this one, but I'm not going to tell you write this one. If you want, you can write this, these two, but you need to write this one. Just raise your hand after you finish. Actually, I'm not wearing glasses, guys. Okay, I'm not wearing glasses, but actually, in this time period, I am doing my MPhil degree. It's a master. Okay, master degree. So that means for the whole day, I am sit in front of my computer. Okay, I'm sitting in front of my computer, and as you know, when we work more than the recommended hours with our computer, our eyes will burn out. So like that, we will have several illness. Okay? We will have several illness when we work in with our computer more than uh, 4 or 5 hours. Okay, so that's why this class belongs to my sister. This UV cut class. Okay, this is my look. Okay, this is my look. but actually for today, all day I have sit front of my computer. That's why I have used this song. Okay. We have a problem, guys. Okay. I think you know about the weighting factor, about the normal integer numbers. Okay, normal integer. Okay, integer numbers. But what about the fraction numbers? Fraction numbers, we have a problem, no? We have a problem. So if I write this kind of number, what? 0.246. This kind of number, that means we have a fraction number. So what about this number? What will be the weighting factor? So here onwards, you know. No? So here onwards, you know what will be the weighting factor. Here, this is a decimal number. Okay. This is a decimal. I will write just 10. Okay. This is a decimal number. So that means this one, you know, 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3. Okay. You know those 4. What about these 3? What will be the numbers? Yes. Good. Yomi, good. Okay. This will be 10 to the power minus 1. Okay. This will be 10 to the power minus 2, 10 to the power minus 3. Likewise, this guy. Okay. This will be likewise this. This is 0, no? Then this can't be 0, no? 10 to the power 0, it can't be 0 because here 0, 1, 2, 3. So when we decrease 0, then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Very easy, guys. Very easy. Okay. So write like this. Okay. Write like this in the below. Write a question. Okay. Write a question. Write the weighting factor. Write the weighting factor for the decimal number. Write the weighting factors for the decimal number 2431.246. 2431.246. The below, just write these things in one row. Okay. The below, as for the answer, just write 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 0, then comma 10 to the power minus 1, 10 to the power minus 2, likewise. Okay. Once you finish, just raise your hand. I'm not going to tell every time. So once you finish, just raise the hand. Okay. Good, good. Okay, I think you got the theory about weighting factor. Okay, so then let's move to the number systems. Okay, so now we are going to move to the number system. But before this, we have learned that one. No? Before going to the number system, we have learned what are the number systems. Okay, so that means I'm not going to again tell you the number systems and likewise things, likewise previous. Okay, like previous. I'm not going to explain the number systems. Okay, so just memorize. Okay, just recap. Let's recap, and then let's write the note. Okay. So the first number system is decimal number system. Okay, guys. The first number system is decimal number system. Okay. Decimal number system. As I told you, the decimal number system is equal to Hindu-Arabic number system. Okay. Decimal. Here, decimal means 10, guys. Okay. Decimal means 10. That means in our decimal number system, we are going to use 10 different symbols for the calculation, for the representation of numbers. Okay. To represent numbers, we are going to use 10 different symbols. Okay. And the other thing is, there is a keyword, guys. There's a keyword like base. Okay. Base. Base means the base of number system. Base means the base. That means here actually decimal. No? That means in decimal number system, base is 10. Okay. 10th base. Okay. Likewise, there is a keyword base. That means base. Okay. Okay. So the other thing is what? Digits. As I told you, we are going to use several digits. Digits used. Okay. I told you, digits means symbols. Digits means symbols. So, okay, digit means symbol. So here we are going to use 10 different symbols. That means 10 different digits. What are those? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So when we calculate by 0, there are 10 different digits. Okay. We can call these thing as digit, as I told you earlier. Okay. All right. So the other thing, weighting factors. Okay. When we write the weighting factors, weighting factors, you know what will be the weighting factors? 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3, likewise will be increases. Okay. The other thing, guys, actually for the O-level exam, we don't have the weighting factors in the -1. Okay, I mean 10 to the power -1, 10 to the power -2, likewise the negative numbers. Okay, we don't have the negative numbers, negative for weighting factors in our in our O-levels. But when you move to the A-levels, we will have the negative form factors also. That means actually in the O-levels, we will have fraction numbers. But so in the A-level, no? In the A-level, we will have fraction numbers. Okay. But for the O-level, you don't have the fraction numbers, only the integer numbers. Okay. Only full numbers, that means integer numbers. Okay. So that means you just have to worry about the positive numbers. Okay. This is about the decimal number system. Okay. Number system. So in the decimal number system, base is 10. We have 10 different type of digits. Okay. Those are the digits. Again, I am going to tell you, digit mean a symbol. Okay. And here, weighting factors. Okay. Those are the things about decimal number system. Okay. Let's write these things. just write the topic, decimal number system. Write the topic, decimal number system. Decimal number system. Write like this. The decimal number system. The decimal number system. The decimal number system is widely used in the decimal number system is widely used in the decimal number system is widely used in our daily activities. Our daily activities. The decimal number system is widely used in our daily activities. Next point. Next point. It consists of 10 different symbols. 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 Okay, then just write base 10 digits used is this one, likewise this. In your tute, you will have a table. Okay, you will have a table in your tute. You have to just fill out these things, but for now you don't have the tute, no. So just write base 10 digit use this one, likewise, and then raise your hand. Okay. Okay, good. So what about tomorrow, guys? Actually, I just remembered tomorrow is the Vesak day. So what about tomorrow? Are you planning to travel to anywhere else? To what? For the dancer? Or else you're going to just stay at your home? What of the lanterns? Did you make them? Lanterns, no? Vesak cool means lanterns? I don't know the English one, actually. Where are you going to go? Actually, Shinadi, where are you from? Shinadi? Candy. Near. I'm from Matale, actually. I didn't tell you guys, no? I'm from Matale. Okay. My hometown is Matale. So it is near. Actually, we are going to plan. We didn't even yet plan about tomorrow, guys. Okay. Actually, we have a bad luck. Okay. We have a bad luck because if we are going to plan something, plan any trip, actually, guys, we are using our bikes because it is very easy. We have our vehicles, but we have our cars, but it is we are more likely we are like to go with on our bikes because we can feel the weather like that. Sorry. So if we plan a trip that day, it is going to rain. Okay? We have a bad luck of that one. Okay? So that's why we didn't even plan about tomorrow, guys. So tomorrow morning we are planning to go to the town. Town means Matale city. So then we are going to gather around, and then from there, then we don't know about that. From then it can be candy, it can be Anuradhapura, it can be. We don't like to move to the Colombo area because the traffic is very high. We don't know, we don't like that. So let's see tomorrow. What about the lanterns? Actually, yes, we in our home, our father got the plastic lanterns, okay, plastic ones. So we just uh, connect those things, but we didn't even start to uh, what make these things. Okay, that means to cut the papers and just paste like that. We didn't even start. So after this class, I have to me and my sister, we have to make that lanterns. What about you? Actually, guys, you are IT students. That means it is better to have a program knowledge and also a programming system for the lantern. So in several times, I will tell when we learning about actually, guys, as I told you earlier, I will teach you several things beside our theory. Okay? That means actually for the A level you have embedded system. Okay? Like Arduino. Arduino, I think boys know that one, Arduino, and not them too. Likewise, there is embedded system, microcontroller. So I just teach those things also. Okay, because I'm like those things, guys. I like to give my knowledge because my degree is on IT and electronic, and for the after I left my university, I have uh, taught in our university for 2 years as assistant lecturer. So in that period also, I have taught programming language and embedded system likewise. Programming, guys. Okay? So that's why I prefer, and also I like to share my knowledge. Okay? You will learn those things. Okay, guys. So I will start here. Sorry, it's not start. I will end. We will conclude our session here because in the next system is the binary number system. So for the binary number system, it will take like 15 minutes to teach you because there is another thing about the binary number system. Okay. Uh, yes, but I have actually told you that one also, but it's okay. So okay, we will conclude our session. Okay. So can you give several feedbacks about the class? Is it okay? The teaching method is okay, or else are you going to join to the class for the next week and onwards? What is the thing? Is it okay? Okay. I will just send the details for the group. Okay. So then just decide, and for the uh, next week also you have to just write in your notebook. But actually, guys, I have the tunes, but after you register and after you pay the first month fee, I will send the tunes. Okay, because actually there is uh, there is a cost for the tune. Okay, so I'm not going to charge extra for the tunes. Okay, I'm not going to charge extra for the tunes, but the thing is, first you have to pay the first month fee. So then I can send you the tunes. Uh, I will send you the details about our class, okay, and also the registration link and the other things. Okay. All right, so guys. So as for the tomorrow, okay, you told me that you are going to plan. You are planning to go for several dances. Okay. So please be careful, okay, because as you already seen in the news, I think you saw that one. There is a bus accident. No? More than I think 21 people has died. Okay, very dangerous. Actually, if we just walk beside the road uh, with our safety, but the people vehicle that means another vehicle can hit you. If you walk beside the road, a vehicle can come and hit you. Okay, so that means you have to be very careful when you are on the road. Okay, don't look at your phone and just walk. Look on the environment. Okay, and then please walk very carefully. Okay, so because our security should be for ourselves, take we have to consider about ourselves. Okay, okay guys. So then let's meet on the next week. Okay, next week also in the Sunday, 7:30 p.m. Okay, I think is it okay? The time is okay, no? I think the time is okay. But actually, guys, for the first days we will have 2 hours, but later on we will have 2.5 hour likewise. Okay, 2.5 hour or 2 hours likewise. The time can be changed to can be increased to 2.5 hour. It can be differentiated. Okay, not more than 2.5 hours. So some days it can be 2, some days it can be 2 and uh, okay. So goodbye guys. So then stay safe.